Welcome back to the 6th HTML5 video tutorial here at beginnertuts.com. In this video I'll be showing you how to make lists in HTML. So I'm just gonna get started and jump into my body tag in my HTML document. There are three main kinds of lists. First we have unordered lists, we also have ordered lists, and we also have definition lists. First I would like to show you how to make an unordered list. The tag for an unordered list looks like this. UL, and I'm just gonna close it like that. Inside this tag we'll have to place our list items. A tag for a list item look like this. So between this opening tag and closing tag we'll have to type in our list data. So this one I would call data1, and I'm just gonna copy it and call the second one data2 and data3. Let's view this in the browser. As you can see, we have now created a list with three list items. We have data1, data2 and data3. Okay, so this was an unordered list. Now I would like to make an ordered list, meaning a list that has descending numbers. To make an ordered list we'll have to use the tag OL. And again, in between these two tags, the opening tag and the closing tag, we'll have to place our list items. So I'm just gonna copy these ones. And let's just view this in the browser. And here we got the ordered lists. If you want Roman numerals or letters instead of these numbers, then you can do this with CSS. And I will also be showing you that in the CSS videos. Now let's look at the last list type, the definition lists. To make a definition list we'll have to use the tag DL, short for definition list. A definition list will allow you to make a list of items with a description of that given item beneath it. Inside our definition list we will be able to use two different tags. The first tag is the one that needs to define the list item. This tag looks like this, DT. I'll close it. So in here I could type dog. So now we have defined the list item as dog. Now we want to make a description of this dog. So I'll go down here and I'll use the description tag, which is DD. And then I could write a nice and white dog. So now we got the list item and we got the description of the list item. Let's view it in the browser. As you can see, we now have the list item and we have the description beneath it. I could copy this one like that and then view it in the browser again. As you can see, we'll then get a new list item with a new description beneath it. Finally, I would like to show you how to make a list inside a list. So I'll go into my HTML document again and I'll just move up here and I'll go into my first item in our unordered list. Inside of this list item I can then make another list. I could make an ordered list. And then I could make some list items. Again, I'm just gonna copy this. And I could call this data 1.1 and data 1.2. So I got a list item right here, and inside that list item I have an ordered list. Let's view it in the browser, and just as expected we have a list with a list inside of it. And that was pretty much it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please visit beginnertuts.com.